They are seeking an experienced Power BI developer and data analyst to help redesign and scale the current sales reporting process because it was Excel based heavily and of course has grown significant over time. They have more than 50,000 lines of sales data, and I don't think it is slowing down because of this amount, but for the amount of columns and sheets inside the workbook. They're looking for someone to move from a large spreadsheet into a scalable Power BI. And luckily, this is not AI written, but you can see a bit of confusion because they are looking for a person with many skills, something like a computer scientist for choosing the proper way to handle the data, and also a data analyst to understand how to represent the data. But most likely, if we continue, you can read they somewhat understand their needs, even though in a bit confused way. The other solution will include a backend structure, here we go, that is organized, dynamic, and editable. We're open to recommendation. Here they mix different kinds of solution. One that deals with queries and others that is something else, but at least they specify the goal. Here they specify the pain point, especially reduce manual effort, and here they give some details we don't really care about. So you see that highly editable and the architecture returns. More details, more requirements, even though I don't really agree on this part. I'm against generally on this level of dashboard interactivity. In my opinion, they need ad hoc analysis, but since they specify they want a data analyst, they don't understand that they could need also data scientist. You see, also here they understand they don't need a simple Power BI developer, but something more that is a computer scientist. Here we see the Power BI developer part. Here we could see data scientist or computer scientist skills, and here we see skill for a designer or a functional analyst. So I would say they like three different people or one person with very broad skills for just for not saying an entire department. It is not badly written. It is confused because they don't know some things. Out of 10, I would give maximum 7 to this job ads. It's a very long task that will take them at least 3 months, depending also on the amount of people engaged.